The Monument Ratchet plastic tubing shears are manufactured to the highest specification. The blades are V-shaped stainless steel, and the Ratchet aids with the cutting of thicker walled and larger diameter tubes. The bodies of the shears are die cast to provide rigidity, and the handles have a foam grip to aid comfort when cutting. One cutter cuts up to 42 mm diameter, and the other cuts up to 60 mm diameter. The design is further improved with a catch being added to stop the handles springing open. This suggestion was made by the Monument masters. The blades are easily replaceable.